How to fix Telegram login problem. So here is a short and effective way to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, simply if you are not getting the verification code, the code might be sent to your other Telegram device or app. Check if Telegram is installed on other devices. Then once done so and you still did not get the code, then tap on the did not get the code to receive it via SMS or phone call. Then, if it still does not work, then just make sure that you have entered the correct number with country code. Double check your phone number and country code and also your gmail.com. Now, once you have double checked everything, all you have to do is make sure that you have turned off VPN and check network. And once you disable VPN and make sure your mobile network is stable, go back to the home screen and tap on the App Store option available there. Once inside the App Store, simply search for the Telegram app, then tap on it and update it to the latest version. Once updated, if it still does not work, then all you have to do is simply go back to the home screen and this time delete the Telegram app from your mobile device. And once you delete the Telegram app, reinstall it and try for login process again. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.